Hey guys, it's Annie, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about how to keep up with your bullet journal. This is a question I get asked so much, I thought I would just show you all of my tips and tricks of how to do this in this video, and make sure to not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more art and bullet journal videos. So the first tip I have for you today is to remember why you started. So this can just help you get back into the perspective of why you wanted to bullet journal in the first place. A good technique to use is to write down all of the reasons you wanted to bullet journal in the first place. I'm just writing out some examples. Obviously you write what applies to you and what you think. This can help you get motivated and is a really good way to keep up with your bullet journal. Here I also wrote out some of the many benefits there are to bullet journaling. So some of the benefits I wrote out are it keeps you on top of your life, which is so true. It increases productivity, which is kind of similar to the first one, but is also very valid. It helps you look back on your personal growth and achievements, which can also motivate you to do well and be successful. And memories is such an important thing and a main factor in why I started in the first place, even though now I use it for so much more, obviously, but it's just a great part of bullet journaling. It also boosts your creativity because you can draw, paint, whatever you want, and it's your own personal thing. And it can put you in a better mood, which is of course true because letting out your stress and anxiety through drawing or writing or painting or anything like that. So yeah, bullet journaling is definitely a good thing and keeping up with it is also very important. So my second tip I have for you is to rethink your priorities in life. This probably doesn't make a lot of sense and may sound like super vague, but hear me out. For example, here I'm writing, would you rather spend 15 minutes on social media or 15 minutes bullet journaling? Now let me say that make sure when you're thinking about this to think about what your future self will appreciate and thank you for most. This is just a great way to rethink and help you to get more motivated to keep up with your bullet journal. So my next tip is to turn it into a habit and add it into your daily routine. You are what you do repeatedly. Success is not a single action. This quote shows how important creating worthwhile habits is. Here I'm showing you that, well, later on in this part of the video, I'm going to show you some of my older bullet journals, and this is where I actually tracked bullet journaling as a habit in my habit tracker, which is a great way to keep up because it helps you get more consistent and gets you motivated. So here you can see in my January of this year, I tracked it, and my February as well, to help me keep up because back then obviously it wasn't that long ago, but I still wasn't that good at keeping up, and now I have improved so much and I do it daily. I think most of the time I do my bullet journal daily, so this is a great way to get you started. My final tip for this video is to make sure you don't overwhelm yourself and not to compare yourself to others on your individual journey. Trust me, you're doing great, I just know it. So when you first begin your bullet journal journey, please don't overwhelm yourself by putting so many trackers and stuff to fill in daily. Start small and don't be too hard on yourself. Starting small is so important. It just helps you get into the whole idea of bullet journaling and everything. So here I'm showing you my old bullet journal. This is like the beginning of 2019. So I'm showing you how my old bullet journal compares to now. And if you practice with time and stick to it, I promise you will improve with consistency and obviously your artistic skills. So here in September, I only barely did like a few spreads and I didn't even fill them in. So obviously that was only 1 year ago, about 1 year ago. So you can see how far I've come from sticking to it, and my YouTube channel, let me tell you, has helped me so much with keeping up with it, because obviously I have people to like show my bullet journal to, and I have to keep up with it. Yeah, so everyone starts somewhere. Obviously your own journey is individual and applies to you, and everyone goes at different paces, as with every other thing you will do in life. So you can see here now July and June and August and September obviously I've filled in every single day of my trackers, and obviously my art has improved, but that's another whole thing. But I've filled in my trackers. Obviously we've only just done a little bit of September, so there's not too much to fill in, but I have improved so much actually. And yeah, if you stick to it, you'll definitely improve. So yeah, definitely, if you want to commit to bullet journaling, definitely commit fully, and don't just do it on the days you feel like it. Trust me, it will help you out in the long run, I know, and it comes with practice and determination, so be patient with yourself. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you like this video, and also if you would like to see more art and bullet journal content from me. Bye guys!